Welcome back to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Today I'm going to give you guys an overall introduction to our sublimation fabric face mask collection. It includes some classic popular ones and some new ones we just launched. As you can see, we have so many masks here, and you may have some trouble making choices. Don't worry, I will introduce the masks here one by one to you guys, so you will know more details about them, and it will make choosing much easier. First are our etched masks, available in two colors, black and white edges, and have two sizes for kids and for adults. They have three-layered structure, which is more durable and can provide more protection. The top and the bottom layers are made of polyester, and the layer inside is made of cotton. For sublimation printing, the top polyester layer is very perfect for heat image transfer, and more amazing is that the two ear loops and edges are also made of polyester and also sublimatable, so we really recommend full printing on the full white one. And we have some two-layered etched masks here. The top and the bottom layer are also made of polyester and also perfect for full printing. And one is smaller for kids and one is larger for adults. And there is a little difference on the polyester material. The larger one can give you a cotton-like touch, but it's still polyester, so it's still perfect for sublimation printing. And we have two more etched masks here. This one is for kids and this one is for adults. They look very similar to this one I just introduced, but the two ear loops are different, which is the only difference between them. These two masks have these super flexible and elastic ear loops, and each ear loop has a movable rubber stopper to adjust its size and to make the mask better fit your face. Speaking of the elastic ear loops, we have more masks for you. They are also full white and also perfect for full printing, and they are available in black and white elastic ear loops, and have sizes for adults and for kids, but without the edges. They have two-layered structure. The top sublimatable layer is made of polyester, and the bottom layer that touches your face is made of cotton. And we also have these masks here, the same colors and the same materials. Also have one polyester layer and one cotton layer. Look exactly just the same as these ones I just introduced. What makes them different is that they each has a little pocket for holding filters, and we also have some PM 2.5 filters for you to choose. This smaller one is for smaller masks for kids, and this larger one is for larger masks for adults. You can insert a PM2.5 filter or any other filter into the little pocket to add more protection. And here we have two more masks of the same design, and with another full black color for you to choose, but the material is different. These two masks are made of 100% cotton. Both the top layer and the bottom layer are made of cotton. And they also have little pockets for holding filters, and they are also printable. We recommend printing them by vinyl and laser paper transfer. If you are looking for more filter insertable masks, we have more for you here. These are our Sublimation 3D face masks. This larger one is for adults and this smaller one is for kids. And you may wonder why they are called 3D masks. This is because they were made by the special cutting and sewing techniques, which make them look more three-dimensional. And another reason is that this one for adults has a metal strip on the edge above, right on your nose bridge area. It can be bent to make the mask look more three-dimensional and sit better on your nose and better fit your face. But the smaller one for kids doesn't have a metal strip, which is better and more comfortable for kids' nasal bones. And they have 3 layers. The top layer is made of sublimatable memory foam, and the inner and the bottom layers are made of cotton. The bottom layer is also a little pocket for holding filters. They also have adjustable elastic ear loops. For sublimation printing, because there is a seam on the middle, so we recommend printing half of the mask first, then the other half, and printing partly. If you want to check the printing tutorial, please find the link on the comment area below. And we have 2 more 3D masks for you to choose. This smaller one is for kids, and this larger one is for adults. They are made of 2-layered soft knitted polyester and have great elastic and also 3-dimensional, and can also fully cover your face. For sublimation printing, we recommend doing full printing on these 2 masks. Well, we had a very long talk about the sublimation face masks. Let's jump into another item which can also provide some daily protection. These are our newly launched sublimation caps with removable transparent face shields. They are classic, breathable snapback mesh caps. Each one is added with a transparent face shield to prevent disease spread by respiratory droplets. As you can see here, they are available in kid size and adult size. and so many colors. 4 colors for kids and 9 colors for adults. You can print any designs on the caps to make a cute family cap set. Well, after listening to my introduction, you all know how great BestSub sublimation face masks and sublimation caps are. They are all available in adult and kid sizes and have so many designs for you to choose. And they can all provide more daily protection and can be imprinted with your designs. So, have you decided which one to choose? I hope this video can help you make up your mind. And if you want to watch more videos about the masks, please go to the comment area to find all the links. And if you want to check more details, please go to our website www.bestsub.com. And if you want to order the products right now, please email us at best@bestsub.net. I'm Alex, see you in the next video.